Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl nagoromamadi, in the building. And how are you all doing? As for me, I'm doing pretty amazing. I am doing very good. I am doing amazing. And today is another video. Yeah, today is another video, and we are unboxing today. Have I done an unboxing? Yes, I have unboxed a new iPhone, which is what I'm using now, but I have another unboxing to show you guys. Okay, so backstory: I ordered for some stuff, handbags and slippers from a friend, and that was 3 months back. So she said she was ordering from, I think, China, and it took 3 months for the bags to get here. At first I was angry. I was I was so angry. I was fuming in anger, like, why haven't this stuff gotten to Nigeria yet? But I have a good news. When the bags came, like when the stuff I ordered came, they are not so much, just 3 items, but it was worth it. It was worth the wait. It was worth everything. I am so happy. I am excited. I'm feeling so good with everything I ordered from her. So who am I talking about? They are Hera Closet on Instagram. Please check them out. They have good stuff. They deal on handbags, slippers, sunglasses. Even if you have a medicated glass, they have a suitable lens for you. So I will encourage you to check them out. This advert is not sponsored, mind you, so I'm just saying this out of satisfaction. So just check them out. Tell them you're coming from nagoromamadi on YouTube, and in fact tell them that you need a discount because you're coming from a very far place. From YouTube to Instagram, no be paying. So tell them you're coming from YouTube, from Nagorom's channel to be specific. So I ordered from Hera Closet, and I just love what I got. I just love what I got. So first on my list is this bag. Okay, so from the picture I wasn't really too sure. Like, from the picture I felt it's a very big bag, that I can always, I can, even if I want to travel, something sizable enough to put the few things I will travel with. But when it came in this size. But am I angry? No, never. I am never angry at this bag. Reason being that I don't have this size of bag in my closet, and this is the perfect size. First thing, when these bags came, I tried to put my phone, because my phone is a 12 inches length, size of phone. So I tried to fix my phone in here, and it suits this phone perfectly. Like, it entered my phone, and I said, what else am I looking for? Any other thing is secondary. The major thing is my phone. So I don't have this size of bag. I don't think I do. Okay, do I okay, I have it in peach, but it's not as this though. So I don't have it in black, and I love the colors I ordered for, because there are things that I don't have. Guys, please pardon me, I might be sweating. I'm just coming back from work, and I need to do this video for you guys. I need to unbox this with you guys, because from tomorrow your girl will be rocking them. So I need to unbox it with you guys. So first is this bag, which I'm so satisfied at. Second one is another bag. It's a nude color bag. This is the long strap, the hand. So if you don't want to carry it this way, but me, I think I'll prefer carrying it this way. I love the shape of the bag. I love, what else? I love the texture, the size. I've never had this size in this color. So I love the size, and I think I love everything about the bag. So I'm not regretting it. It's a what I ordered versus what I got. So that's it for this. And I didn't tell you guys, this other bag has a strap. I love this stuff. It's not very tedious to open. You can open it at any time. So this is how you open it. I think this is what we use in Nigeria is paper, or materials to, you know, to put it inside the bag to make it come out so nice. But I think I love this idea. It's looking very amazing. So this is the long hand for the bag. So the last but not the least is I love these slippers. You see this one? This is everything I need and more. These slippers, I love it. I love it with my wholeheartedly. I love the slippers. These slippers is a 10 over 10. In fact, it's 100 over 10. My reasons are this. You see this part where you step on when you wear the slippers, the part where you step on is so soft. Like you don't, it's so, you're not even feeling like you're wearing anything in your leg. It's so soft. Everything is so on point. You know, the inside is leather. It's not, even if it's raining, if it's soaked, if you know you wear it outside the rain, like under the rain, and it gets soaked, you know that irritation of, you know, your leg is wet and not, you're not getting it from these slippers, for crying out loud. This is leather and this is material. In fact, I don't even know how to overemphasize my satisfaction with these slippers. It is too much. It is 100 over 10. So for people that will always see me on these slippers, for those of you that will come and tell me, oh please try and change your footwear, enough of this, try and get yourself some foot, please, just leave me here. Leave me here for now. I am very comfortable, thank you. Leave me here, because these slippers, I will rock it. If I even had, if my workplace was not a corporate, you know, environment, I will wear it to work, I will wear it during work, and I'll wear it after work, because it's so comfy. It is so comfy. So this slippers is 100 over 10 for me. So please check them out on Instagram, Hera Closet, Hera Cosset, yes, Hera Cosset. Tell them you're coming from YouTube. You're coming from where? Nagoromamadi's channel. And they will give you your own thing, you know. They will give you this dicey kind of items I got from them. I am saying this whole thing out of satisfaction. My ads, this advert is not sponsored by anybody whatsoever. So whatever, I love this. I love. I love it with my whole heart. So please check them out on Instagram and tell them where you're coming from. If I tell them you come from Nagorom, they should give you a discount. They need to, because you traveled all the way from YouTube to Instagram. Why may they give you a discount? So please, I'm ranting too much. I have ranted too much. So let me end this video here. Thank you guys so much for the love, for the support, for the care, for everything, for those who reached out to me, for those who one way or the other sent me an SMS. Some sent me an email, like trying to check up on me. God bless you. God bless you. God will continually bless you. God will bless your family. God will bless everybody around you. I'm doing very great, and for some reasons I've been kind of busy. That's why I haven't been readily available. I haven't been dropping content, but I will try my best. I will try my best to do, you know, more content. Anyways, if you've watched up to this point, please do well to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Like, comment, share, and we need to be more engaging on our comment section. Ask me some questions and I will answer you. Our Q&A is yet to come. I have a lot of pile of videos for you guys, but just small. Gradually, we'll be unleashing them, dropping. So you will get to hear and see the videos I'm talking about and why I had to keep them up to when I want to keep them. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. God bless you. Until next time. Bye bye.